Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is a tutorial on my online conferencing program called Zoom. So what's going to happen is that if you go to My Music Staff, which is my program that I use to be able to set up the lessons, schedule the lessons, you will see a screen that looks like this on your home page. On the top left-hand side, you're going to tap on the calendar, and if you notice over here in purple here, any of the lessons that are for online, they are in purple. You click on that, and then you're going to get a link right here. So if you click on that Zoom online video conferencing link, it'll take you right to where you've got to go. If you have the program, it's going to say Open Zoom. If you do not have the program, meaning the application, then if you click here, you'll be able to do it on a browser. So I'm going to open Zoom for right now because I've got the application, and it's opening up. And here I am. So I'm here in the background live over there. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit join with computer audio. When you hit that, you will see me in all my glory. And I won't have this background. You'll see my mirror and my other things as well too. But I'm going to end this meeting here. You'll see this page here to be able to join if you have it. If you don't have the program, once again, you can click here. And what'll happen is down over here somewhere. Let me see if it'll work. Right there, it pops up where it says start from your, if you cannot download or run the application, start from your browser. If you hit that, what'll happen is that it'll actually start right from the browser, which is pretty cool. So you don't have to do that. And boom, we'll be up and joined by audio by computer, and then you'll be on. All right. That's pretty much it. Thank you very much and have a great day.